burger hole your belly.
This boy just leave home.
Me too. Hey, let's take Chipsy lunch. You think so? Yeah, I do. Let's. I can't wait to put my hands on Chipsy. Samir. I need his lunch money.
Good morning, class. Today we'll learn how to add. Samir, can you tell me 1 plus 1?
Teacher. That's a very hard question.
Gypsy, can you tell me 1 plus 1 is?
1 plus 1 equals 2.
Good job. Next question. If I had 2 apples and I give away 2, how much apple do I have left?
Teacher. If you give away 2 apples, that person has 2 apples. You are so stupid. Teacher. If you have 2 apples and you give away 2 apples, that means you have no apples left.
Burga, you're correct. I'm very proud, young man.
For once. Burger makes sense.
Burger and fried chicken. Always getting the answers right. So true.
Okay, class. Lunchtime.
Samir. It's time. I know. Chipsy time.
Burger. Did you hear about the new girl?
No. Burga. I heard that she is very smart and Chipsy. Whatever.
Chipsy. Everybody knows that you're the best.
Samir, you ready? Almost. I soon be back.
Yeah.
Black rice. It's time. Give me what you have now, or else you will be going into the trash can. Samir, I have nothing. My youth. You're lying. No, I'm not. It's the truth. Let's get him. Okay, what we should do? Anything. You little rat. Come in here. I am going to take you all to the principal office now. Thank you, sir. Chipsy, we are not done yet. I hope you hear that.